Waking up the whole house when coming down for a glass of water? We can help. A proven squeak repair system will eliminate the unpleasant sounds quickly and effectively without disturbing the floor surface. First, we identify the squeaky area and mark it. Next, we drill small holes around the marked areas for the resin injection needle. Once the holes are drilled, we inject specially formulated epoxy resin into the holes. Once the resin has cured, we test the area to see if more injections are needed. If no additional epoxy is required, we putty the holes with color matching material.